So the nefertiti neck lift or rejuvenation in the neck and jawline area is one of our 3 wow factors. The other 2, of course, are the non-surgical nose shaping and the non-surgical eye bag removal. To cover some old ground, let me remind you, how do we age? We age because with age, we lose malar fat pads. We lose fat pads all over the face. We lose elasticity and the skin starts looking empty, it starts drooping. Through movement of the muscles, we start getting wrinkles all over the face. In this region particularly is where I think women especially suffer the most, is where we can see age the most. Why? Well, with age, we start getting those classical marionette lines. We get those droopy, jowly looks where these parts of the neck, the jawline start dropping down. We also start getting those strandy turkey neck looks around the neck, and the neck starts looking aged. Well, how do we fix that? Well, really quite nicely, non-surgically, we can very much treat this with botox and dermal fillers. Of course, certain lasers and so on can also help in this region, but Botox to start off with, and this is where the Nefertiti neck lift, Queen Nefertiti, the Egyptian queen, with that classical chiseled look around the jawline, we can repeat that with Botox, or we can try to, of course. What we do is we inject small doses of Botox into the platysma muscle along the jawline and platysma muscle down the actual neck. What we're doing by that is we are slowing down the muscle, we're putting it to sleep, and we're in time making it smaller. So with repeat treatments, 2 or 3 treatments every 3 or 4 months, we are slowly but surely retraining the face. These muscles are no longer so strong. These muscles are becoming stronger. Now the patient doesn't feel any of this. There's no side effects, I've got to reassure you of that. But in time, what we're doing, we're getting that tightening. Even in the neck, the turkey neck disappears, the jowl starts tightening, and we're getting some amazing Nefertiti results. Without our other friend, the dermal filler, we're not addressing the main problem, which is the deflated balloon effect, or we've lost the volume, we need to put it back. So very easily and quite wowily, we inject the filler into the regions where it's deflated, and we can in front of us see how as we're injecting, we're re-inflating the balloon and tightening around the neck. We can do the same around the marionette lines, and the results are fantastic. In addition, with this patient, we're not going to do a full non-surgical facelift, or the butterfly facelift as I've coined it, but we're going to do part of it. This is part of the non-surgical facelift. We're also going to do something for the skin. We're going to rejuvenate the skin. We're going to put back the collagen and the elasticity that was lost. Now there are many ways in aesthetic medicine how we can do this, but the way I prefer is with skin boosters, the Restylane Vital skin boosters. Now I call this medical mesotherapy. Classical mesotherapy uses vitamins and hyaluronic acid, which is non-stabilized. Yes, it's okay, it freshens up the face, but it's quite short-lasting. With Restylane Vital, the hyaluronic acid is stabilized. It's very, very tiny particles of hyaluronic acid, so much smaller than the Restylane you might inject for increasing the size of the lips or something like that. As you will see, we inject the whole face with about 50 injections, and we repeat this 3 times every month or so. The filler that's injected attracts collagen to itself, and we get amazing rejuvenating results in that we reduce pores, we get that shine back, the small wrinkles are improved. What's amazing about Restylane Vital skin boosters is that we can also rejuvenate the neck, the décolletage, and another area which is a particular favorite area of mine, it's the hands. we can rejuvenate the hands in a beautiful way. With age, you know, the veins start showing, the volume has gone, you know, we get that age look to the hands, even little pigmentation marks are appearing. By injecting, again, 3 times every month or so, a syringe of skin boosters into each hand, it's incredible what kind of results of rejuvenation we can get.